So Joni, what is your top selling product from 2021? Lash Boost. No joke, Lash Boost is the #1 serum on the market, and it was my top selling product in the last 12 months in 2021. My name is Joni Long, and I'm actually a speech language pathologist, and I've been a brand rep for Rodan and Fields since 2017. I rose to the top 3% in the company in the first 6 months of my business. If you're curious how I did that, make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the notifications. This channel is all about Rodan and Fields, about products. I'm here to help you find the right products, how to use them, and it's also about the business. If you're looking for something extra, looking for some kind of extra income, a community, something that you can make yours and run it how you want, you are in the right place. So today, we're gonna discuss Lash Boost. It is a serum that is going to blow your mind and change your lashes. 3 things. I'm gonna tell you ingredients, I'm gonna tell you how to use it, and I'm gonna tell you some top tips for using it. Number 1, ingredients. What makes this the best lash serum on the market? All right, panthenol and sodium hyaluronate, which attracts moisture to the lashes, and it promotes flexibility and resilience, okay? Next, biotin and keratin infuse protein to help protect against future damage. As we age, we start to lose hair, our eyebrows, our lashes start to break more easily and sooner, and they fall out. So as you age, you're going to notice that your lashes are getting thinner, okay, and not quite as long and breaking off sooner. Lash Boost is going to help with that. Next, Lash Boost has peptides, which provides the nutrition to the lashes, helps with durability, just makes them stronger, and supports them to become more voluminous. I love that word. So basically, in a nutshell, lash serum is super hydration, nutrients. It nourishes the lash follicles so that your lashes can grow and be extended. The lash cycle can be extended. Okay, so we are born with 3 basically layers of lashes. That's why when you look at kids, they have such beautiful, thick, long, darling lashes. And as you age, you start to go down to maybe 2 layers of lashes and then 1 layer of lash. So what Lash Boost is going to do is it's going to nourish and hydrate your lash follicles so that the other lashes can be extended and the lash follicle cycle can be extended. So they look longer, darker, fuller. In fact, some clinical studies showed that after an 8-week trial, 90% of the subjects noticed improvement in the appearance of the full lashes, okay? 85% noticed an improvement with how long they were, and 63% noticed an improvement with how dark they were compared to baseline. That's pretty incredible. The other amazing thing about Lash Boost as far as ingredients and clinical significance is that it has been tested by ophthalmologists. So it is safe for your eyes. It's not going to change the color of your iris. It is completely 100% safe for your eyes. Number 2, how to apply. You want to apply Lash Boost to a clean face, clean eyes that do not have any eye products on them. So wash your face, toner, but then no moisturizer and no eye cream yet. Okay, you're going to, looks like a little tiny wand. There we go. And you're going to wipe off the excess on both sides and then just swipe the base of your lashes, the base of the lash line, 1 on each side. Okay, you don't need to redip between, and you just let it dry. Super simple at night. That's how you use it. My last tip or thing that I want to talk about for Lash Boost is just some tips to make sure you are getting the best out of your Lash Boost. Now, life expectancy, if it's sealed, about 2 years. As soon as you crack open the seal, it's going to be potent for about 3 months. At the end of 3 months, you will probably still have some serum in there because you don't use very much. And it's not gonna hurt you to continue to use it. It's just gonna lose its oomph. It's gonna lose its potency, and you're not gonna see the amazing results that you did, in the first 3 months of using it. So toss it after 3 months after it's been open. You're gonna start to see results at around 4 weeks, definitely at 8 weeks, because remember the lashes have that 6-week shedding cycle. All right. And then the last thing is, fun tip, you can use it on your eyebrows. All right, get those eyebrows filled in. If you have any questions, if you're curious about if you can use Lash Boost with contacts, yes you can. Can you use it if you have sensitive eyes? Yes you can. Any other questions about Lash Boost or any of the products, make sure you send me an email, subscribe to this channel. You can follow me on Instagram. We can set up a Zoom, a phone call, and I can help you get started on Lash Boost or any products that you're wanting to try. If you're curious and you want to chat about the business, I'm an open book. We'll figure out how to make it work, make it yours exactly the way you want to run this business. And I would be there to help you all along the way.